Hi everyone. If you're new to multi-account management or looking to scale, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm showing you how to get the AdsPower free trial with 10 browser profiles for 10 days, which is a lot more than the regular free plan. And I walk you through everything step by step so you can start using AdsPower right away. Here's how to get started. First, copy the link in the description below and open it in your browser. Once you land on the page, you can see the referral code is already filled in automatically. Then, go ahead and sign up. You can register using your email or phone number. Just complete the registration and click Sign Up. After logging in, you can see your account info in the bottom left corner. To activate the AdsPower free trial, click the Try Free button. Since you're on the web version, it prompts you to download the app. Just download it, then log in again on desktop. Now we're inside the dashboard. You can see the default free plan gives you 2 browser profiles. But since you used the trial link, you also get the AdsPower free trial option on the right. Click Start 10-Day Free Trial. Done. That's it. You can see your profile limit update at the bottom left. Now you have 12 browser profiles available. This free trial lasts for 10 days, and you can start using everything right away. If you're not sure how to create your first browser profile, check our step-by-step guide in the description. Subscribe for more AdsPower tutorials and updates.